Hello friends, today question is 20 plus 5 by 2 multiplying with 9 by 4 plus into 1 whole 2 by 3 dividing with 1 over 5. Here we use BODMAS rule. यहाँ पे friends हम BODMAS rule इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Now 20 plus 5 over 2 multiplying with 9 by 4 plus into 1 whole 2 by 3 dividing with 1 over 5. B stand for bracket, O for order, D for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now first of all, BODMAS rule says first do brackets, so we change dividing sign into multiplying and 1 over 5 inverted to 5 by 1. Same here, and 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5 by 3, and dividing sign change into multiplying 1 over 5 became into 5 by 1. Now we can do both these multiplication at a time. Next step is 20 plus 5 multiplied by 9. 5 times 9 is 45. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 5 times 5 25. 3 times 1 3. Next step, we add these number. First of all, we find the LCM of these number. Now 20 by 1, 8 and 3. LCM is, you can see, 1, 8 and 3. 1 same as 2 times 4 8, 3 same here, again 2 times 2 4, 3. Now 2 multiplied by 2 4, 4 multiplied by 1 4, 4 multiplied by 2 8, 8 multiplied by 3 24. So LCM is 24. So friends, 21 multiplied by 24 and multiplied by 24 plus 8 multiplied by with 3, so the answer is 24, and 45 multiplied by 3 and 3 multiplying and dividing with 3 plus 3 multiplied by 8, so the answer gives us 24. Now multiplying and dividing with 8. Okay friends, next step is 20 multiplied by 24, 480 divided by 24 plus 45 multiplied by 3, 135 divided by 24 plus 25 multiplied by 8, 200 divided by 24. So the LCM is 24. Now our answer is 480 plus 135 plus 200, that's equal to 815 divided by 24. First answer become this, 815 divided by 24. Now change the answer into mixed fraction. Change the answer into mixed fraction. So 815 divided by 24 multiply by 24 with 3, 72. 72 subtract from 81. So the answer is 9, 5, and again 24 multiplied by with 3, 72 subtract from 95. Now remaining 23. Now our answer is 33 whole 23 by 24. So the whole process is our answer is 33 whole 20 divided by 23 by 24 is our answer. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.